Hey traders, Andrew King from Alpha Shark, and this is your Friday recap video. Every Friday we look at all the portfolios and we say, hey, show me the money, how we do. So the first thing is the S&P. The S&P I think was up about 13, actually 20 on Friday. It says I lost $526. I think I got some bad marks. A lot of these in the money options went really wide. So for the week, $462, and that's incredible because I lost like $1,600 in MET. So everything worked besides basically MET. Those were February calls. I don't understand what's going on here. Those are February calls. I was long against the weeklies, and the weeklies just absolutely exploded. RSI for the week, relative strength index. We look for a bear 15-minute bar followed by a bull bar reversal. We had, let's see what the dates for this week. November 18th, 18th, 19th, 20, 21. So we had 2 winners, 2 losers for the week. And then we had 2 winners the week before. So I've been trying to keep an eye on these a little bit more. Personal portfolio, AK was done it. We're up on the year, so this is now turned positive, which is really good. Still have DBRG on. Still have NGD still on. Comcast spread. The front month will go to 0. Still long the back month, which are this week, 44s. I'll be in those for 16 cents, so I could have target at 24 and 32 for those in Comcast. WDC have some on still, so I still have this position on. You can update this if we wanted to. So I'm long some Comcast and some WDC. So long 50%, long 100% actually. Comcast, 11/29/2024, 44 calls for 16. And we'll see what happens to that then. Okay. So WDC I took off half. The back month stayed, and the front month went to 45 cents. So it's a really nice exit there at 60, 88% winner, 251% now. Alpha Shark, GSM is still on. We took that Uber spread off. We don't want any of those in the monies to end up being stock, so we took those off. AMED took off as well. The D's 95, so 394% winner. Right here, 4 straight winning trades. Alpha Shark Plus, let's look at this. PAS, calendar spreads on, so I'm going to be left long. The PAS, the front month goes to 0. 12/20/2024, 623 calls, and those will be in at 80 cents. So that position is still on, and then NGD is still on as well. I'll have targets at 30 and 40. Super options, we have that one trade, FE still on, and then we had that Apple trade. So actually we had no signals last week at super options. Super option plus, we had a great signal. Once again, you will not be getting these calendars going forward, but these calendar spreads just working out great. So Chevron left long. This was not the 2. These are like the 175s in February 21st. So left long 2/21, 2024, 175 calls. And that trade will be 175 the front month. Once again, went to 0. So that's great. That was a good trade. Okay, so we left Juniper and we left Chevron here. Next, 10 out of 10. I rolled that MET position, so that trade has been a pretty big loser, but I did roll it here. So rolled the 11/22, 24, 83 calls to the 11/29/2024, 83 calls. And now I'm short MET. It's my biggest short position right now is in MET, and this trade's just been awful, to be honest. I got 10 cents for that trade. We had that great trade in PG on Friday, the weekly 77.5s, and those traded up to I think $1. So let me go into here. Oops. So not what I want. Where's custom? They changed this here. Let's go to high. The high of the day of these was, they did not add. High add, okay. The high is 133. So great trade in PG. Weekly ATM. Do we have any for this week? We do have TECK and we have TAN. Tan's going to go to $1. That's going to be 100% loser. Actually, like an 85%, 87% loser. And then hopefully we'll get some money back in TECK. The 46.47, 46.45 put spread in TECK. This portfolio has been going down a little bit here. So that's your Friday recap. Let's look at everything, guys. Thank you guys so much. I'll see everybody in the trading room bright and early on Monday. Thanks, everyone.